Hi, my name is Dane Groves. I'm here at Sapphire in Orlando, and I wanted to share one tip I had this today. I was talking with one of my clients around a project that we're doing for them, and I found out that I was doing the wrong thing, and I was thought I just had to select the current data based on uh, I want this data and then return those results. And I thought the result part was the most difficult part to implement. Then this morning I had a chance to talk with them and figure out what it was that they really were looking for. And I found it was more like a search functionality. I could see some of this in some of the communication. We were talking about the meetings, like search. Well, there's not a lot of search in what I've done. You just asked me for a request, and then I was supposed to give that to you. But I found that wasn't the case, and there was more thing they wanted for it. So I was thinking, well, how could I avoid this in the future? Because, well, it's always important to recognize your mistakes and make sure you're able to do something about them. So what I was doing is I was working with them, thinking about how is this possible, I found the solution, but how can I avoid making this mistake some other time? And what I thought was it might be a good idea to instead of having to do all the thing, just asking them what the process was they wanted to have. If I'd asked about the process, then I would probably have seen, okay, what we wanted to do is to have search capability, and then we want to see where this can happen. And that, I believe, is one of the most important thing I have, is figuring out where in the process this was. I created a template that you can find on PI architecture, where there's both a template for documenting and there's a template for functional specifications. And I think one of the things I need to focus much more on in that is asking about the business, what is that they're focusing on, and that will hopefully translate into a much easier way of communicating what it is that you want. So I hope that it serves you, and whenever you're doing any specification with PI, or for that matter any other system, try to ask about the process, figure out where it happens, and then hopefully you'll be able to solve the solution. Until we talk next time, goodbye.